Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a pre-primed by me with Mead and Black gloss paint, 14 by 14 inch canvas from Artist Loft, and I'm going to combine a bunch of different base layers, starting with the Mead and Black. I'm using the DecoArt Iridescent Pearl, and finally probably adding some DecoArt 24 karat gold just as a base layer. Almost time to make some more gold. Might need that again. So I've got all my favorite colors out for the day, and I'm going to start with Venetian Blue by Modern Masters. Throw some Snapdragon now that it's open in there. Some Red Violet. I'm going to do some Frozen. Everything wants to close up on me today. Now what did I have I wanted to go in on the top? Oh, there we go. This is Frozen Amethyst. I'm going to add a little tickled pink. And some saffron, which is basically just red-orange. Some orange crush. A little bit of my yellow-orange mixture. And last but not least, Dancing Fuchsia. And one more. Maybe the Cyan Aqua. No, I was thinking Tuscan Sun. I don't want a lot of that, I don't think. But I will use the Cyan Aqua, if I can get some to come out. Now I'm going to use black and white cell activator, both Amsterdam, and maybe the turquoise. Probably not, because I've got turquoise in there. They're mixed with Australian Floetrol. Gotta make sure I don't go the whole distance, because I don't need to. It's probably plenty. I'm going to try and tip this. First I'm going to get all of the paint, all of this absolutely luscious, beautiful colored paint. Right off my spatula, so I don't have to wipe it off or rinse it in a bucket. Just put it right down on the canvas. Those tools are going in the bucket. I might do another puddle. I might even grab my acetate tool and work this out a little. Maybe that's where the Dancing Fuchsia is going to come in. Alright, that's cool. I got a spiral out of that. Kind of thinking I want to steal some of this paint. Put it over there. I'm truly contemplating putting more white pearl down. And I'm very happy my saffron is still open. Orange Crush. I think I'm just going to use, I don't see much white, so maybe I'll use white. Maybe I'll use what I've got here. Stick with my acetate tool. Throw that in the bucket and try and use an edge catcher, which might be kind of interesting or not. I want some black up here. I think I'm going to use a palette knife. Throw that in the bucket in a minute. I want to put some gold down. I suspect it will help paint move or disappear, one or the other. Let's go the opposite way from the way I want to go eventually. I got beautiful cells. I'm not ready to give up no matter what. I'm going to put some black down there too. Just because paint flows to paint. And it's more likely to roll over what I add. That's my edge catcher. I'm going to destroy some cells I really like. If I don't like the shape of the composition when I'm done, I'm going to add some more paint. But right now, I'm making a puddle on this edge catcher, which I expect to throw down like so. Squeeze it. Let it keep rolling. So far so good. So for that thing I see there, which I'm not sure whether it was a bubble or something else. I am not loving this yet. And that's partially to do with this here. That was red violet. I think it's got to be white. I'm going to grab a straw. That's cool. That kind of worked. I'm happy about that. I'm not done with anything yet though. This might be one of the longer. Being called to Midnight Shadow, which I wasn't before. I'm going to use a little bit of golden iridescent gold to find the Midnight Shadow. There it is. There is when I get it open. What color is going to go with this? Shall I do the yellow? It might turn green. I'm going to use the Dancing Fuchsia. This is confusing me over here. That's kind of cool. It did turn green, but it's a nice green. Highly unusual. I still want to do something with this over here. I'm thinking white cell activator and maybe some of this cobalt turquoise. Black cell activator. That's interesting. More red violet. More frozen. I need to do something with this up here. I think it's going to be red violet too. I love blowing spirals. Not so sure about this green in here. I don't think it goes with anything. I was saying I can cover things up. Maybe it's time to prove what I said. I'm going to try the dancing fuchsia. Getting a little better, slowly, very slowly. That helps. I'm going to go for the cell activator again, right after I wipe off my tool. I think I might just leave that yellow right where it is. Alright, one more zone. I think that'll be that. See what I can find for swipe tool. Must have put that other one in the bucket. I need a fairly large piece of acetate. There's one. There, that's a better composition in my opinion. Although I'm not entirely 100% sure I'm done. Let's give it a little bit of a tip. Kind of want to do something like, this is beautiful. Kind of want to do something like that elsewhere. I'm going to have to go back and watch my own video. Maybe a little more. Take a chance. There, I got more spirals. Excellent. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.